Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this very wearable pink halo eye look, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. And I use the Too Faced Sunset Stripped Born This Way eyeshadow palette. It's a more warm tone kind of palette. You can create this look if you only own one of these palettes, but I also use the original Born This Way Natural Nudes palette. I absolutely love these eyeshadow palettes, and we're going to jump right into the tutorial. So in the original Born This Way, I'm going to go with the shade Nude. That's like my favorite crease shade. It's the perfect transition shade. Taking L'Oreal A11 and going with the shade Nude. And I'm going to blend this all over my crease area. Like, look how buttery smooth that shade blended out. So this is exactly why I love this palette. I post so many tutorials using this palette. I mean, I posted so many tutorials using this palette, but I just like love this palette. I did pluck my eyebrows this morning, so I am a little bit swollen up here, but on the Sunset Strip palette, I'm going to take the shade Golden Hour. If you only have one palette, then you can go in with Petal and the Born This Way. But I'm going to go in with Golden Hour, which is a more rosy matte pink shade. Same brush, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease, adding in some matte pink. I personally don't like to wear pinks and reds on Valentine's Day in my eye look. I like a more natural eye look, but I think this will be a very wearable, rosy eye look, which is something I like to wear, but I'm really not into the like bright pinks and reds for Valentine's Day. It's cute and artistic, but not something that I'm gonna wear out to dinner. Just like that, so you have this nice warm rosy crease. In the Sunset Stripped palette, I'm going to take the shade Chai Times, which is a really nice matte burgundy shade. On a ColourPop E17, which is a more dense, precise blending brush, and I'm going to blend this into my outer V area. And I'm going to take the same brush, the same shade, and I'm going to go in my inner corner here, creating a halo eye look. I know I've been making so many halo eye looks on my channel lately, but it's really just been like one of my favorite looks to make. It can just really change your eye shape, and it's like dramatic, but not too dramatic, and just like really pretty. And pretty easy. They look harder than they really are. Once you know like the skill of making a halo eye, you can really use any palette to get that look. So I'm just gonna blend this out. Gonna let them touch just a little here in the center. Like that. And then the Sunset Stripped palette has a fragrance to it. It smells like, I don't know, people say it smells like flowers. It does. It smells a little bit like vanilla. I don't know. It's not a terrible smell, but it's not an amazing smell either. So something like that. I'm gonna get the ColourPop E4 brush wet with some setting spray. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Rose Gold. Just a really pretty pale pink shimmer shade. And then I'm gonna pat that here in the center. So I want like a really metallic pink. So I'm just gonna keep touching in here while my brush is wet and just really build up that pink. And then blend out the edges just a little. Like that. Finger, I'm gonna take the shade Surfboard. It's this really pretty gold shimmery shade. Look, it's like purpley gold. It's so unique. I absolutely love it. And I'm just gonna touch that on the edges here. I go back in with rose gold on my finger and tap that down the center. I'm gonna go back in with ColourPop E17 and just blend out those edges. So we have a nice inner and outer dark V and a nice shimmery center. I'm going to take that same Chai Time shade and just blend in my bottom lash line. Inner and outer corner. And I'm going to take that brush that I was going in with the crease with Nudie, and I'm just going to blend out Chai Times. I'm going to get my ColourPop E4 brush wet again, go back in with the shade Rose Gold, and I'm going to tap Rose Gold right underneath my eye. I'm going to take a small detailing brush and go in with Laura Mercier highlighter 001. And I'm going to highlight my inner corner. And a little bit on my brow bone. So I got this new Rumble London brown eyeliner. So I'm going to put this in my bottom waterline. I'm going to apply some mascara and some Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes. And that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.